Today I'm at I-Soho at ICT Shah, presenting to you this 2-bedroom, 2-bathrooms unit. It's a corner unit. It's partial furnished. The size is 766 square feet. This unit has a balcony and is facing the northwest. The view is just amazing, overlooking the Bukit Raja township, and the height is on level 22. Beautiful view. LRT is just 500 meters away, and there's a walkway directly connecting to the central city shopping mall. This unit is well kept. The unit has been renovated with plaster ceiling. Now we will start with room 2. This is room 2. As you can see, the window view is overlooking the Klang City. Just amazing view. Unobstructed, high floor, amazing. And we've got the shared bathroom over here. Moving on to the master bedroom, comes to the ensuite bathroom. On the master bedroom, it is fully finished with the bed set, wardrobes. Just amazing view, overlooking Bukit Raja, and all towards there is Klang already. This unit is going below market value. Opening price is 380,000, and well kept. 766 square feet, 2 rooms, 2 bathrooms, good condition, truly a good deal. Cheers.